This is the Magic Wig Maker. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Today I am going to install one of my ponytails and bangs on my virtual client who has alopecia in the crown of her head. I designed this ponytail in the 90s. This is an innovation that is even better than it was back then. First, prepare your hair by pulling it all up. Even if it's very, very short, you can pull it up with a mousse, a gel, or a styling lotion, and then dry it under a hair dryer. My bangs install really easily. Open each of the clips, align the bangs with your hairline, scoop your hair under the clips, and then lock them closed. My ponytails are easy to install. They are designed with an opening that has an inner pocket. You just want to take your fingers and go all the way down to the end of the pocket and then pull your ponytail through. After you've pulled your ponytail through, spread it open to push my ponytail closer to your scalp. When the ponytail is close to the scalp, you're going to wrap the elastic band around your hair and my ponytail combined that holds them both securely so that it does not move. After you've installed my bangs and ponytails, you can cut the bang, you can curl the ponytail. Just use your imagination. You're going to love my bangs and ponytails. Visit me at MissLola.com. Thank you so much again for tuning in to my channel. I am the Magic Wig Maker. While you're here, please subscribe and come back soon. Take care and be safe.